Good afternoon, crafty friends. This is Lynn, the Gift Diva, coming on with a new video project share for you today. This project is not my original idea. It is, I was watching Linda Parker on YouTube. She is a Stampin' Up demonstrator here on YouTube out of the UK, and she came up with this really clever idea. And when I saw it, I immediately said, ding, 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 craft fairs, I have to make this. So let me show you what I used to make these Traveler's Teabooks, excuse me. And I just love them. I mean, maybe it's me, but I just think they're so cute. So some of the papers I used for these first few, I'm going to try to do a few every month until up to my craft fair. So these first few I did using papers in my stash. I got this garden party stack from Craftsmith. I think I'm coming down with something, so I have to excuse my scratchy voice. But this is a really pretty stack. I love this page. Isn't that pretty? Really pretty papers. Very happy. Very garden tea party like. So that made me happy. So I used those. Next, I used Newport Grove. It's a relatively new paper stack from Michaels. Also, very pretty papers. And here, as you can see, I've been cutting the crap out of it. But look at that. Very pretty papers. I also used this Cricut Anna Griffin paper. Really love, you can see the designs on that in the back because I've used most of the paper. But I've bought this paper several times because I love this. I made a mini album with this paper. It's so pretty. So that is that. And then I used this Meet Me in Paris stack I got on clearance at Hobby Lobby, I know at least a year ago. And really pretty, kind of a vintagey feel. I thought it was pretty. You see on the back there, papers. So I got that. So let me show you my clever little things here. So look at that. Isn't that cute? So these little charms, you see that? These little charms I got from AliExpress. And they were so tiny. I was like, what am I going to do with these? Well, duh, here you go. And then these I got from Amazon. Very cute. This is the Meet Me in Paris stack. And so when you open it up, it's all these pretty little papers with the teas. Isn't that cute? He just loves it. And then you have this really pretty paper, the Anna Griffin paper. And look at that. Look at that teacup. Doesn't that match the paper perfectly? I just love. And it was a whole set from Michaels of charms. It was the saucer, the cup, the creamer bowl, a pitcher. It was just really cute. So I got that. Another Newport Grove. Here's a little creamer picture, tea creamer. Isn't that cute? And this paper is really pretty. I had these from Hobby Lobby in my stash, so I wanted to find some papers that kind of complemented it. So as you can see, there's like polka dots on the outside of the teapot, and then so I used polka dot paper on the inside. And these little cute stickers from Anna Griffin's new stack of teapot stickers that I haven't hauled yet with you. But there are 120 stickers in here. They're gold foiling. Really beautiful stickers. So I got that. So that is that one. They all look alike on the inside pretty much. So this is one from the Garden Party stack. Cute little charm from BB Craft. Another one from Meet Me in Paris. These, I don't know if I said this, but I got those from Amazon. These little teacups, tea saucers. Very cute. Another one of those. That same paper. So I made a few, as you can see so far, and I'm not done yet. So that is my project share today. I just wanted to, like I said, jump on here and share these with you. Really cute. I will leave Linda's information down in the description box below. She is a really awesome crafter. She has some really wonderfully cute ideas that you can do even if you don't have Stampin' Up! Papers or any of that kind of stuff. I mean, just really clever, cute ideas, and I just love this one. So if you're following me on Instagram, I shared some photos earlier, promised the video, so here you go. And if you like this video, please like it. If you're just visiting or just happen to wander by, consider joining us here in Crafty Land, and get more videos coming your way. And I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for being a subscriber. Thank you for participating. I love this community. You all are also giving and just wonderful, and I really appreciate your support. So have a great Sunday. Thanks. Bye.